Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm going to do a reading for you guys. This is from 4 to 10 of May 2020. So let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini people. Okay, yes, Gemini, you want to speak. Let's see what is coming for you guys for this weekend. For this week. Yeah, okay. This is for the Geminis, please. Let's shuffle a little bit more. We can see the clear message. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you, Gemini. This is for the Gemini, 4 to 10 of May 2020. Okay, so this is your overall energy. Star card, beautiful. Some of you are dealing with an Aquarius. Okay, so you are in a very healing energy and very strong, like beautiful, smooth, relaxed, and very calm energy. Beautiful, Gemini, definitely beautiful. 2 of Swords, 3 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. Okay, after that troublesome situation, you are feeling relaxed and healed. Okay, some of you are dealing with the Libra because Justice is here. Magician. Okay. Gemini, Virgo. So yeah, Gemini, I'm feeling that the recent past you have 2 of Swords, 3 of Wands, and the 5 of Pentacles energy. So you were on the crossroads and then something happened, someone come towards you, because this is the 3 of Wands. You are expecting someone to come towards you but they didn't come. Yeah, and that's why you were feeling very alone with the 5 of Pentacles, and you were feeling very disturbed with this 5 of Pentacles energy present here in your recent past. So yeah, Gemini, there was someone who you were expecting to come towards you, to travel towards you, but they didn't. I hope I'm not taking their side or something like that. I'm not on their side, but yeah, I'm telling you that I think that they have some kind of problems to travel because of the situation going on, or if there were some kind of money situation, because 5 of Pentacles is also lack of money. So yeah, that's why you are feeling a little bit left out in the cold and ignored by the person you were dealing with in the past. In your current energy, we have Justice, Knight of Swords, and the 10 of Swords. So yeah, situation will be balanced for you. If you just don't want to deal with them, then definitely situation will end for you. The things will be ended for you, and there will be a communication which can resolve the situation between you and the person you are dealing with. So yeah, this Knight of Swords is very important because this is in the heart of your reading. So yeah, definitely this is very important. Okay, in your immediate future, we have 10 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and the Magician. So you are putting down the burden you were carrying for a long time, and you are moving forward with the 6 of Swords present here. You are not compromising now your freedom, and you want to manifest whatever you want in your life. You want your freedom. You are manifesting that freedom for yourself, which is great. So let's see why is the Star card is here, or the overall energy for you, for the overall energy for you guys. This is for the Gemini. 3 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, Temptation. Wow. Okay, so this is your 12th house, Capricorn, and definitely reconciliation with the 3 of Cups and the Star card present here. So someone you are not like in connection with someone from the past. This must be, they want to come back towards you and they want reconciliation with you. They want a very happy home and a long-term relationship with you, with this 10 of Pentacles present here. I'm feeling that they had some kind of problems with their habits. They have some kind of karmic habits or something like that. Like they were dealing with their shadows before, but now they are healed. They have healed from that thing, and that's why they are coming for you. The universe has helped them to become a very healed person, spiritually, mentally, physically. That's why they are coming for you, because this is your destined person with the Star card. So this is destiny. So they are coming for you. Okay, Let's see, why is this Three of Wands are here in your recent past, Gemini? Three of Wands for the Gemini, please. Tower, okay. Knight of Cups, transformation. Okay, so Gemini, definitely they want to come towards you with this Three of Wands present here, but then some kind of tower moment had happened in their life they were dealing with, so that's why they didn't come for yourself. Yeah, they were had dealing with the tower moment in their life because they want to come towards you with this Knight of Cups present here, but then the situation had changed because of that tower moment. So I can feel their energy, like they have definitely deep feelings for you with this Knight of Cups present here, and they want to come towards you. So yeah, they know that you are waiting for them, but then something happened with this tower moment and with this transformation card present, and this is that death. So yeah, definitely Scorpio. So some kind of change has happened into their lives, they didn't come towards you. Yeah, like I'm feeling that they want to explain those things with this Knight of Swords present here in the heart of this spread. That's why they want to communicate. They like now they want to come towards you because they think if they will not, they will lose you forever. So let's see, why is the Knight of Swords here for the Gemini in the heart of the spread? Empress, definitely. Hanged Man, King of Swords. Okay, I'm feeling that after listening that communication or having that conversation with your person, because they think that you are their empress, you are their abundance, you are their everything. So after listening that conversation or having that communication with that person, your perspective will be changed, and you will be like the things you want to clear out, the things will be clear for you, and you will know that what is the truth behind their situation. Okay, so yeah, definitely they are coming for you, they want communication. Let's see, Ten of Swords for the Gemini in the current energy. Ace of Swords, World, wow, Strength. Okay, so Gemini, they are definitely planning travel with this Ace of Swords present here, because you have let go of them fully. After letting go of them 100%, they are coming for you, because this is an unexpected situation. You were waiting for them before, but now you are not waiting for them. You are working on yourself, you are working on your stability, abundance, like happy situation. You want happiness, you want calm, you want balance things for you, stability. And after that ending chapter, like after ending that chapter, they will come towards you. When you will be totally detached from them, they will come towards you. It is an unexpected arrival because this is world, so definitely they will come towards you from another country or state, and you are very strong at that time. And yeah, definitely they are also overcoming their anger, and they are working on their habits. If they have some kind of addiction or something like that, so they are working on themselves as well, so that they can come towards you. So definitely they are coming for you. Okay, so let's see, why is this Magician here? Why is the Magician here for the Gemini in the immediate future? Because you are putting down the burdens and you are moving forward smoothly. But what you are manifesting, let's see what is coming for you for the Magician. This is for the Gemini. Patience, Nine of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so definitely you are manifesting a very great and happy and healthy and healed life for yourself, and you are on the edge of completing a cycle. You are completing a cycle, and that's why you are working on yourself, because you are very in the spiritualism, this temperance card present here, and you want to build a very strong connection with your divine, your higher self, your spirit guides. That's why universe is co-creating with you. So this is a hack for you, Gemini. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.